In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. By launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner to either hit video, operate all of those options, record it and then automatically add it. Or if you want to add already recorded video, click on the same icon, scroll and click on it here. Then tap on Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to find your video but it's not here, scroll all the way down and hit Folders at the bottom left corner. Now look for your video here. And tap on it. Then hit Done at the bottom right corner twice. If you want to create and add audio file, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Operate those buttons to create your recording and when you finished, hit Attach. If you want to add already existing recording, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files. Tap on Audio at the top to find it. Look for it in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After finding your file, click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!